on, guys? Welcome back to another video out here from Six Flags over Texas. Today we are out here in front of Spain, checking out all of the new updates out here at Tormenta Rampaging Run. As you guys can see, the Spain entrance sign is looking very nice. The pillars got finished up. The lanterns look great on the sides, but I do want to point something out. They are working on replacing the Spain lettering here for the sign. There was a nice A sitting on the ground for that sign a couple days ago. You may have seen that they were painting the bull, but that white paint was actually just primer. Some of the paint was chipping off, so they repainted the brown bronze look of the nice bull. They also added a fence around the bull and relocated the plaque more out in front of the bull instead of under the bull. Since I was last here, they have added a bunch of nice decorative signage and banners representing Spain out here with the bull and a bunch of stuff on this new construction fence for where Casina Abuela is supposed to be built. Over here at Teacups, the ride has been commissioned. It has finished all of its cycle since its refurbishment. They are working on the entrance handrails right now. They are currently welding those in place and they will be painted most likely overnight. The exit rail has been complete, painted and welded together. That looks pretty nice. There's a nice new enter sign that looks like a teacup, but unfortunately, unlike the enter sign, the actual teacups themselves has had their designs removed, so there are no more flowers on them, and I don't think they will be returning, as that ride is pretty much ready to open other than the queue. The Tormenta entrance sign is looking incredible. Nice design here. The test seat has been put in place, along with the fast lane kiosk and the wait time sign, with the railings going up to the Tormenta sign complete as well. A lot of flags have been added to the queue and exit area. They're looking great. Nice theming around the ride. And of course, with Casina Abuela getting pushed back to most likely next year, we actually don't have a confirmed date for when that restaurant will be complete. We do have 2 food trucks out here outside of Rancho de la Tormenta. One will be serving Tex-Mex. You can read the menu right there. There will be a beer and wine stand right here, so if you adults want to get drinks while you're out here, that's where you get them. And the other food truck is serving some American favorites with chicken tenders and a fruit cup. You can read it there. Both food trucks will be serving bottled soda and the typical bottled water that you can find anywhere else in the park. And then unfortunately, as we all know, Tormenta was supposed to open this Friday, June 26th, but it has been delayed. We aren't sure when it's getting delayed to, but hopefully it's only a couple weeks. I do know that they did find an issue with the ride and they did have to push back that opening date. But I'm staying hopeful for the next couple of weeks. We will see this ride finished, complete, and ready to ride. One last detail I did want to point out is they have put up some nice red and yellow banners up next to the fast lane and exit queue lines, I believe, with Tormenta and the nice bowl right there. So I do like that they're doing that and not just making it a blank wall for the storage building. All right, Josh, what are your thoughts on the whole Tormenta area?
So, low-key, it's even better than what I was expecting in terms of the theming.
Yeah.
Like, you got the bull statue, you got an amazing front entrance using the case floor. Like, that's just genius play right there. My only nitpick I could possibly give is hopefully Casina Abuela gets it together soon. And I do like that they're using food trucks. The other food truck, pretty gas. Elote, if you know, you know. But this one has chicken tenders, which is like not necessarily Spanish food. So it's like, you know. But other than that, out of 10, I give it a 9. Like, it's almost perfect,
yeah.
You know. But when they add Casina, I could give it a 10 easily.
Yes.
Easily.
Once Casina gets built, it's going to look absolutely incredible. Yeah. Going to tie the whole area in. And then one last thing, while we are here, Casa is back open, serving nice Spanish street tacos here at the park. I'm glad that they were able to get this open, and it is nice to have this open right outside of Spain. So while we wait for Casina Abuela, we don't just have the food truck options, we do have Casa.